Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. And had a parcel the other day from Monkey Lockpicks from Italy. So I just thought I'd show what we've got. We've got a nice little selection of pins for the pin makers of the world challenge locks. We've got a nice little 5-pin euro, looks brand new, made in Italy. I don't know what the make is. It looks like a PC in there. Don't know if we can see that. Let's get the key out. There we go. So if anybody can tell me what it is, all the better. Not too bad a bitting on the key. Very nice little Caesar 21040 padlock. Again, not too bad a bitting on it, so it should be a bit of fun. And we've also got a Standers 6-pin euro, which is a challenge lock. It's called Monkey Fist, and even comes with instructions on how to reassemble it, so God knows what there is inside. As you can see, I have actually managed to open it, but it is not easy. So give me a minute, I'll clear this stuff out of the way, get this in the vise, and we'll see if we can get it in camera and see what Monkey Lockpicks has put inside it. Alright, so here we go. We are all locked up. As you saw before, the key is mummified. Like I say, I have managed to open this once, but it took a while, and I'm dying to find out what's inside it. So we'll see if we can get knocked through this reasonably quickly. I'm using a lovely little hook here, which was one of the ones Trickmaster 30 made for me. So we'll begin at the front. So we've got a little click out of 1, tiny click out of 2, nothing out of 3, 4, 5, or 6, or tiny little click out of 6, nothing out of 5. Right, we've got a little click out of 4, and a little bit of counter rotation, and a click out of 3. Right, a little click out of 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, we got a little bit something out of 5 because we got a little bit of movement on the core. I didn't actually hear or feel a click. 6, 5, very light tension on this. 4, 3, we've got a little bit, so we've got a little bit of a false set going on. There's nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm not convinced about 5. Oh, we got a little click out of 6. Right, managed to get something out of 5 that time. And 4. Even with no tension on, it's taking quite a lot of pressure on the pick to get anything to move. Right, we've got a little bit of counter rotation out of 5 and a click, but we lost some of that false set. That was 4, and we got some of it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, quite strange because I'm not getting any feeling from the pins, but the core does keep on moving occasionally. So now we've got everything is solid. So we're on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Nothing's giving me any feedback. So I'm going to try a little bit of 5. Was feeling strange. A little bit of manual counter rotation. Now we've got a deeper full set. That was from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right, that was counter rotation, click from 5, but we lost the full set again. Right, that was 3 and we got it back again. Four's dropped and is now solid. Right, there was a little click on 2. We've lost that full set completely. Right, I think that was 4. And that was 4 gave us a bit of the full set, 3 gave us counter rotation, and we lost it a bit. 2 counter rotation. And just working backwards and forwards trying to find something that's going to give me, and I just brushed 5 and we've got it. So I say that is a very tricky little pick. So let's get the vise out of the way, drop that down there. Grab a pinning tray and let's see what we've got inside this. Right, we've got a clip on there. Which came off quite nicely. And pins are there. I think I'm going to use a shim, only because of those instructions about reassembling. So God knows what we've got inside here. So let's see if we can get a shim in there okay. Oh, that seemed to go in quite nicely. And there we go. So we can see we definitely have a T-pin in 2, and it looks like we've had a bit of work done, if we can see that. Let's just tip these out first. So we have a nice T-pin in one, a very sharp T-pin in two with serrations. 3 is a very strange shape. 4 serrated. 5 serrated. And 6 very sharp serration on the top there. And inside the core, looks like we've got undercutting in 1 and 4. And threading in 2 and 5, so very nice. Then let's see what we've got up top. Find the tweezers. So we have a spool with serrations. We have serrated in 2. Springs are looking like different colours, so let's dump those out in order. Yeah, we've got different pressures on the springs. There's number 3. A very deep spool and a completely different spring again. That is a very interesting pin. I think that's what it might call monkey fist. I'll give you a close-up of it in a minute. That one's serrations, and yet another different spring. And then in 6, that is a very deep spool again. And yet another different spring. So that is a very nice set of pins. I can't see any modifications in there. It all looks intact. No in there anyway. So let's have a close-up of these pins. And some very similar pins to these will be going into the Pin Makers Challenge locks. So very, very nice set of pins, a very tricky lock to pick. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.